Alright, so this is a package that I received from the Lazada. It is engine coil boots spark plug cap. So let's open it. Okay, let me use this. Okay, here we are. So these are engine coil boots spark plug cap. So they sent to me 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of them have spring inside like this. Okay, so let me show you the used spark plug, the used engine coil. So this is original one, but the problem is on this was burned here. So you can see the spark going outside from here. So to fix this, you have to remove this. Okay, and you can put the new one and this cap too, and then you can put this is a new one. So inside of this there is a fuse. So this is the best one because it stays for a long time. If you get another one that are different from this, the Chinese one cannot stay for long. So first thing, you have to put the spring like this. See, you have a spring inside, so you can put inside of this like this, and then take this one, make sure the fuse is inside, and then you can plug like this. Here we go, it's a new one, and then you can start using it. So hopefully it might help you. You don't need to buy new one of these, it's very expensive. It's around maybe $40 or $35. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video.